Did you know that you can prepare a delicious cake in just 50 minutes? Oh well, I'm a busy mom, so I can deliver on that. Today, you will learn how to bake the easiest German apple cake that I bake for every birthday party. You'll be amazed at how just a few simple ingredients that you already have in your home come together to create something truly special in just 50 minutes of prep time. And at the end of this video, I will also share additional tips how to make this cake even faster. So let's start with buttering the form. I always do that first. Now let's separate the egg yolk from the egg white. As soon as this is done, we will get two bowls. In one, you mix egg whites, 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt until stiff. In a second, whisk together soft butter, sugar and vanilla extract until pale and fluffy. A hand mixer is better here as the batter tends to cling to the bowl. Also, a higher bowl would be a good idea. Beat in egg yolks one at a time until well incorporated. Set both bowls aside. Now, with a vegetable peeler, we're gonna peel, core and quarter the apples. And while we do that, please let me know in the comments down below, what are you doing with the apples this year? Make thin slices along the top of each quarter without cutting all the way through. This helps them soften while baking. I use an egg slicer for that. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Gently fold the beaten egg whites into the egg yolk and butter mixture. Sift in flour and baking powder and then mix until just combined. Do not overmix. If the batter is thick, add milk. Pour the batter into prepared springform pan and smooth the top. Place apple quarters, cut side up, evenly on the top of the batter. The apples should remain visible. They will sink slightly as the cake bakes. Sprinkle generously with sugar to create a light caramelized crust. Optionally, scatter sliced almonds on the top. Bake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes until golden and the toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And hit that like button now to help other people discover this delicious recipe on YouTube. Look at that golden crust and the smell of freshly baked apple cake. It is a real treat for your senses. Suppose you want to save a few minutes when baking this cake. Do not separate the eggs at the beginning. You can add them one by one to the batter and sugar mixture, and this way you just only need the one bowl. I do this extra step to make the cake even fluffier, but if you don't care about it, skip it and save some time. Before removing the cake from the pan, you need to cool it lightly. Serve warm or at the room temperature, not forgetting that the cake tastes even better the next day. And if you're not counting calories, have a whipped cream or vanilla ice cream with it. I am actually counting, but well, maybe not today. The cake, it is not the only thing that you can make out of apples. German apple rings or Hessian tiramisu mentioned in this video might also knock your socks off.